Niguo gukinyaniria githomo gitari marihi thukuru-ini cia secondary, o murutwo abatie kwamukira ciringi 22,244 o mwaka, undu uria thirikari itari yahota gukinyaniria o mwaka kigina giki gigicoka thi. Kuringana na Minister wa Githomo EZEKIEL MACHOGU, bururi ukoretwo githingithio ni nditi miena yothe, undu uria ukoretwo gicungiriria thirikari kunyihia mbeca cia mahuthiro ma arutwo.
We had gone down to 17,000 per student per year because of the very tight fiscal space that we are operating in and the economic constraints.
Machogu urio kwaragia hindi ya gikaro kia anyiti itemi gia kuheana mawoni makoni mawatho maria mendekithitio ministry-ini ya githomo, augite arugamiriri a mathukuru riu ni mekwambiriria kwamukira kigina kia mahuthiro ma arutwo ta uria ministry ya githomo yendekithitie.
That we should be able to get the figures that were given, which should be given to each and every student, which is 22,240 for secondary and 15,040 for junior school.
Machogu augite mamwe ma mogaruruku maria matanyitwo gukorwo magikinyanirio ica ikuhi ni kweherio kwa mathomo ma gikiro kia diploma na certificate university-ini. Mathomo maya riu magitigirwo thukuru cia TVET.
Diploma courses, we have to phase them out systematically and progressively from our universities, so that TVET institutions, our national polytechnics and other middle-level colleges that we have across ministries should be able to undertake that.
Thukuru cia university riu ikiurio kurongoreria na kinyi kothi iria cireheanaga niguo gutigirira arutwo aria maingira university ni marakinyaniria ikero cia kimabũrũri.
An area that you are also known for. At one time, Egerton University was known for agriculture and livestock and veterinary courses.
Agitetera uruti wira wa honge itiganite ministry-ini ya githomo, Machogu augite gutire na ngucanio o yothe ikonie mendekithia maria maheanitwo ni kamiti ya kwandika wira arutani TSC, akiuga kiugo kia muthia kiri na abunge aria matanyitwo gukahitukia kana kwaga kuhitukia mendekithia maya.
I will be able to present the entire documents either from Teacher Service Commission or from the ministry to cabinet, and then the same documents will also be forwarded to Parliament. The final entity that will be able to say yes or no to any given provision or any given amendment as recommended is actually Parliament.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, Jeta Kugina, Wawadurwa.